kids when I first interviewed her, but showed a maturity beyond her years. What most impressed me was her sincerity and her glowing smile.
How's it feel to be back here in Corpus?
It feels good. It's good to be back here and have our family and friends supporting us here in our hometown.
Well, it seems like everything you touch seems to turn to gold. All your records are so hot, they keep going up.
I think that's a part of the up to the fans. You know, we just dish out the music and they're the ones who buy it. So
how'd you get started on this? Who were some of your influences when you were growing up?
My influences, well, I would say my father. My father used to have a band way back when, and I guess it's where we got the musical talent from. And as far as other groups, I used to listen to Taste of Honey, a little bit of rock, AC/DC, just different music. I listen to everything.
I don't see the AC/DC reflection in what you do now.
But I mean, every singer has their interests when they're growing up and the things they listen to, and little things that a singer might do or that a musician might play in a song will be come out later on. That's how everybody gets their own sound, because you take little bits and you make your own sound.
Did you ever think a couple of years ago you'd be in this situation?
No,
that you are?
Never.
What's it like?
What's it like? Well, it's like a dream come true. I mean, there's been a lot of hard work that we put into it, but you know what? When you get hard work, you get success, and we've put a lot of years into it, 12 years now, and we're really happy. Never thought we'd get this far, but we're here, so.
You're probably one of the biggest names to come out of here since, I guess, Freddie Fender.
Freddie Fender, Farrah Fawcett.
You're in some pretty select company.
Well, I'm very honored, flattered too. Thank you.
Why did you pick the Coliseum? I guess for obvious reasons.
Well, we wanted the Coliseum because we felt like, you know, Coliseum has been here for years, and everybody can associate bands and concerts with the Coliseum, and it's great to be here.
What would you want to tell the people of Corpus?
Well, I'd like to tell them thanks for all the support they've given us, and I know at the beginning it was kind of hard for us here in Corpus. It was, well, for a lot of groups, it's hard for the hometown to back up their hometown groups, but there was a lot of people that stuck by our side here in Corpus, and we give you all a whole bunch of thanks from the bottom of our hearts. We appreciate you. Made us what we are today, so thanks.
Thanks.
¿Qué piensas tú que estuvieras haciendo ahorita?
No sé, trabajando en Waterburger. No sé.
I'll take a double meeting. Yeah.
Al principio, cuando yo estaba aprendiendo a cantar y todo eso, yo tenía sueños de ser un bailarina o algo.
Una bailarina.
Nunca pensé en mi vida que yo iba a llegar en este punto en mi vida, de ser una artista, de cantando.
Muy bien. Siempre te ha gustado el baile, ¿verdad?
Sí, siempre.
Claro.
O negocio, me encanta negocios, como en diseños de ropa. Es otro sueño que yo tengo. Para mí.
¿Cómo era Selena? She was very playful. We fought like any sisters would. I miss her terribly. She would joke around a lot. She was the joker. She would be the type of person that you would want her to go with you to a party because she would make everybody laugh, or she'd be the life of the party. So she was just great to be with.
Selena would play the Coliseum again just months before her death. The hometown magic doing wonders for the crowd and Selena herself.
We usually don't play here often, so every time we come here, it's great because we get to see a bunch of our friends and family, and they come and hang out with us. Generation getting back to Tejano music, they're proud of their culture, where they come from. It's cool to talk Spanish now, as before a lot of young kids thought it was uncool, and it's really great to see that the younger generation's taking a look at their culture and really appreciating, and I think that's one of the reasons it's growth.
convencida que eres fiel y eres sincero.
Coming out next year in February. Producer Keith Thomas, which is a producer for Vanessa Williams and Amy Grant, will be producing half of the album, and also there'll be a well-known producer that'll be finishing out the rest of it. So we're really excited about it. It's gonna be great.
Selena had gone from playing clubs as a teenager to stadiums. Music was her life.